If you want to save your project in Photopea and keep everything fully editable for later, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to save your work as a PSD file, and I'll also show you how to save directly to cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or PeaDrive. That means your layers, text, vector masks, and smart objects can stay intact so you can come back later and continue editing without starting over. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips and Photopea tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your project is open inside Photopea and that everything looks the way you want it to. If you've been editing with multiple layers, text boxes, adjustments, or smart objects, this is the moment to double check that nothing is missing. Saving correctly is important because it protects your editable workflow and lets you reopen the file later with your design intact. The simplest way to save your project is by going to the File menu at the top of the screen. Click File and then choose Save as PSD. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl and S on Windows or Command and S on Mac. That shortcut is the fastest way to save your project while you work. Once you click Save as PSD, Photopea will create a Photoshop PSD file. This is the best format if you want to keep all your editing information. PSD files preserve layers, text, masks, and other editable elements, which means you won't be flattening your design into a single image. Instead, you'll be able to reopen it later and make changes just like you left it. After that, your browser will download the PSD file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it may save automatically to your downloads folder, or it may ask you where you want to store it. I always recommend giving the file a clear name so you can find it later easily. For example, use something like finaldesign.psd or logoproject.psd. Now, if you don't want to save the project only to your local computer, Photopea also gives you the option to save directly to cloud storage. This is really useful if you work across multiple devices, collaborate with others, or simply want an extra backup onto line. To do that, go back to the File menu, then select Save More and click PSD to Storage. This option lets you send your project straight into a connected cloud account instead of downloading it manually first. Next, Photopea will show you the available storage services. You can choose from Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or PeaDrive. Pick the service you want to use based on where you usually store your files. If you already use Google Drive for your work, for example, that might be the easiest option. After selecting your service, you'll need to authorize your account. This simply means granting Photopea permission to save the project file directly into your chosen cloud storage. Follow the on-screen login and permission steps carefully and make sure you sign into the correct account before continuing. Once the account is connected, Photopea will upload and save your PSD file directly to that storage location. That way, your project is backed up online and ready for you to open again whenever you need it. This is especially helpful if you're managing multiple design files or if you want to avoid losing work if your device shuts down unexpectedly. So, to quickly recap, if you want a local editable copy, use File, then save as PSD or press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. If you want to save to the cloud, use File, Save More, then PSD to Storage, and choose your cloud service. That's how to save your project in Photopea the right way while keeping your editable elements safe. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.